So I said, I'll go. So he goes, well, before you come to Lake Placid, you need to know 2 things. Number 1, if you want to do it at your age, you want to do it in just 4 years, it's brutal. 9 out of 10 people quit. When you said that, I started smiling. I thought, wow, this works right into my plan. This is just perfect, right? So what's the second thing? He said, expect to break some bones. I said, great. And he got real quiet for a long time, and finally he comes back and goes, what's wrong with you, man? I told you you're gonna break some bones. Are you crazy or something? I said, look, man, I hope it's 10 times harder than what you're telling me. I hope it's 100 times harder, because the harder it is, the easier it is for me, because I'm not a quitter. I'm bulldog. See? Guys, I was praying that it would be so hard that some of these East Germans would quit. Yeah. And obviously I didn't pray hard enough, because they always show up, they race, they pick up their medals, and they head home. I mean, they are so good. Oh my gosh. Germany has won 80% of all the medals, luge and World Cup, in the last 50 years, okay? Yeah, it's like if the Cowboys have won 80% of the Super Bowls in the last 50 years. They changed the rules. They'd make it illegal. And they're not any better. They just made a decision to be better. They said, this is where we're gonna focus, and we're gonna be better, and we're gonna be excellent at it, and we're gonna be the best. And it's just what you were talking about. We're gonna make a decision because we can and because we will. And so we're gonna do it. Done. It's a done deal. Just a done deal. Success is a decision. It's a decision. That's all it is. You decide and then you do it, and you don't quit. That's it. It's simple. Okay? Success is simple. Not easy. It's really hard. But there's no competition at the top, because nobody's willing to do what you guys are gonna do. Yeah. And then you're gonna be the best. You're almost there. I can feel it. I just feel it. Oh, you're so close. You're so close. Just keep going. Keep going, okay? Like that marathon, right? You got 1 more mile. You did 25. Keep going. Keep going. Because that last mile is what makes you a marathon runner. It's not the first 25. It's that last one. Got to finish strong. Finish strong, okay? Consistent and persistent every day. You do what it takes, and it adds up. And there's a compounding effect, just like at the bank. And boom, then it happens. You're there. You reach another level. It's like, oh, man, this is great. This is awesome. And you feel so proud. You feel so happy because you did it. And that's what the Olympics are about, too. It's just excellence. All it is. It's excellence.